Morning. My name is Sanvi. My father name Mash Kumar God. My mother name Meenakshi Singhal. I am steady. Junior KG A. My name is Sanvi. I am 5 years old. I am from Baroda. I like to eat healthy food. My favorite color pink. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ananya and I am 9 years old. I am from Varanasi city. I am play with my brother and sister. I like pink color. Hello friend, my name is Ananya Tripathi. I am reading class 4. I am 9 years old. My school name is Mahatma Memorial Academy English School. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Mahi. I am 8 years old. I read in class 3rd. My favorite color is blue. Hello everyone, my name is Mahi. I am 8 years old. I study in class 3rd. I am from Leh City. I like blue color. I like carrot. Thank you.